Yeah, what we have here is the road sections, where we have the transverse section of the road and the longitudinal section of the road. You can call it longitudinal road profile. So this section actually show you the drainage, that is the pipe for the drainage. Then we also have the carriageway. We have the manhole. You can see the size of the manhole, and it is actually connected to the other side of the road. Then the pipe drainage is to move either your sewer or your earth water from the other side of the road. So yeah, you can see the road part. Then the pipe culvert itself is 300 mm in diameter. Then the curbs, along the gutters there. So the curb is to protect the carriageway from, you know, that is when you have your runoff coming from the carriageway. So the curbs tend to slow it down before it flows into the gutter itself. Then we also have, yeah, the carriageway is 7 meters. That is 3.5 this way, 3.5 the other way, and you have the slope to be 2.5%, right? Yeah, and we can see the manhole with the base of 2 meters and the height of 2 meters also. Then normally if you have a manhole like this, there is going to be a pipe that is going to connect the manhole to the main sewer line. So we have a pipe of 400 mm in diameter that is also going to transfer all the either water in the manhole and transfer it to the main sewer line.